enseña esto primero. Okay, this is the defective oscilloscope. Okay, it's Hantek, and this is a Hantek 6022BE. Okay, now I'm going to connect the cable. The cable goes in there. It's connected. So it's connected. Now I'm going to connect the other side to the computer. Let's see. Oops. Let's see. Computer. All right. If you look at the screen, it does not detect. See? USB, no detection. It's plugged in. If you look at the screen, there's nothing here on the screen either. So there is no power. When I connect this in here, it's supposed to turn on the power. See? Again. But no power. See? This one? No power. No power. If I did this, if I if I use the cable, one of the cable, and I take the cable and put it in here, and the screen, I turn on the oscilloscope screen. See, there is no activity at all. There is no activity on the screen, no activity at all. So the power supply and this unit is defective. Defective power supply. All right. So that's the problem. It's hooked in. I plug it in. No light. It's plugged in, and no, absolutely nothing. All right, that's my problem, my friend. All right, I hope you could see this and understand. Thank you. Yeah, plug them.